Python loop counter in a for loop. In my example code below, is the counter equals 0 really required, or is there a better, more Python, way to get access to a loop counter? I saw a few PEPs related to loop counters, but they were either deferred or rejected, PEP 212 and PEP 281. This is a simplified example of my problem. In my real application this is done with graphics and the whole menu has to be repainted each frame. But this demonstrates it in a simple text way that is easy to reproduce. Maybe I should also add that I'm using Python 2.5, although I'm still interested if there is a way specific to 2.6 or higher. When run, it outputs.
Use enumerate, like so. Note, you can optionally put parentheses around counter, option, like, counter, option, if you want, but they're extraneous and not normally included.
You could also do. Although you'd run into issues if there are duplicate options.
I'll sometimes do this. Though I tend to avoid this if it means I'll be saying options, more than a couple of times.
Enumerate is what you are looking for. You might also be interested in unpacking. Also, there is itotools.count, so you could do something like
If you want to support